Hey guys, it's Tony. Also, I did want to talk about MATIC. Keep in mind, I'm still 100% bullish on Polygon MATIC. I think long term, it's a fantastic crypto, and I think there's going to be way more momentum or push to the upside. In the coming future, especially with Coinbase having them as their sole payment provider for their NFT platform, which they would do like payments and payouts. So that's especially for like fundamentals and stuff. I do think that it's Polygon is just it's my favorite crypto, right? I think the project is solid and I think it has a lot of room to run to the upside. I personally like it a lot. I think there's a lot of room there. I explain it as if Ethereum is gas, then Polygon is electricity, right? There's no fees. It's super fast, and especially if Coinbase is a big investor in Polygon, then I'm definitely in it because there's no reason for what is it called? There's no reason um, for Coinbase not to push Polygon, or at least their incentive for Polygon to keep growing. With that being said, I do think that that Polygon or Matic is still going to go up. I mean, it's still following its general trend, right? You already broke resistance at what, like $1.95, or what is this? $1.08, $1.90. You broke it, came back, retested, and then you're jumping, right? So I would not be surprised if you just kind of keep trading sideways between this bullish channel, right? If you end up breaking above this channel, then you're in super bullish territory. But as of right now, I still see it going up. I don't think it's gonna go down. Even right here, right? It created a bear cycle back on October 30th, and you're actually higher than when you're actually basically trading sideways, if not higher than this previous candle right here, right? You actually broke out to like $2.18 recently. So if I wasn't bullish before, I'm even more bullish. Or if I wasn't like crazy bullish, then I'm even more bullish now. On the 4 hour, you did have a nice little trigger back here for a bear cycle at $2. But I mean, you really only dropped what? Like 5 cents. I mean, I would not. I would definitely think that that's not a significant amount on the 4 hour trigger to make any to be reasonable enough to say that it's going bearish, right? I mean, it dropped from where? From here, $2 to 195. If anything, it's going to come back and retest this previous. It's going to retest its previous resistance as support at $1.90. Would not be surprised if it comes back down here and then jumps to the upside. If it does come back down to 190, more than likely I will probably be purchasing more MATIC, just because I really do like MATIC. I think MATIC's a great project. And even right now, it might close a weekend bull on the week. So even then, it's still the price is still higher, right? When you close week bullish weeks like this, price tends to be a little bit lower than the previous candle, but you're still on the high side. So I'm definitely 100% bullish on MATIC, Polygon. I think it's a great project still. I mean, I don't really trade. Like I said, I don't really trade candle patterns, but from my experience, I have seen like an upwards cup and handle kind of thing where it actually ends up being really, really good to the upside. So a cup and handle usually, I should probably get out of this screen like right here, right? So a cup and handle is like this, right? Cup and handle, boom, and then price skyrockets, right? That's usually what happens with the cup and handle. But what I've noticed just, I mean, this is probably going to be a new pattern that I've seen or whatever, is you see something like this play out, like that, kind of like a J pattern, right? Where it's a very long extended cup and then the handle, and then you just go like that. And usually this pattern plays out like really, really, really well, like 95% of the time. Like I would not be surprised, to see something pretty significant happen with MATIC, right? You see that J right here drop down, and then you already see that pop. So I am waiting for this to keep running to the upside. And again, that J pattern would probably be a perfect example right here on MATIC, where you see it just kind of jump up that J and then run. So we'll see what happens in the upcoming weeks. Keep in mind, like I said, I think Polygon I've been super supportive of Polygon for a while now. I think it's one of my bigger positions that I hold. But I am long-term bullish. As of right now, I can definitely see it dropping back down to like 190. There's a lot of momentum to the downside right now, so I can definitely see it retest $1.90. But, I would buy here all day long. As soon as it touches 190 or trend, I'd be buying that dip all day long. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.